on the form here. So if you did not have the Digilent PLTW S7 in Multisim, we're going to go to pltw.org/software, which is where we get all of our software from. I'm not sharing my screen. Hold on. Share your screen, Crash. So this is pltw.org/software. And I want to scroll down to digital electronics. We're going to work our way down. The burning ring of fire. Okay, here we go. Digital electronics. Okay, so this is Multisim. Obviously, we already have that installed. This second one is the big, huge, nasty download that we don't need right this second. We're not gonna mess with that right now. What we need is this third one, Xilinx configuration files. Okay, so it gives us the instructions, but the long and short of it is we're going to download a zip file, and it just has 2 little files in it that we have to put places on our computer. So I'm going to download that zip file. And I'm going to open it up. And here are my 2 little files. I've got a file that ends in MSPC. They're the same file name. One ends in MSPC and one ends in XDC. And they have to go in 2 different folders. Okay. The XDC file goes in probably a new folder. You probably don't have this folder. So on your computer, you go to the C drive, local disk C, your C drive. You might have to like open up this PC and then find your C drive. And then you're going to make a new folder. If you don't have it, we need a folder called PLTW. So if you have it, fine. But if not, you're going to right click and say new folder. Call it PLTW. So the only thing that we're going to need, we're going to take that XDC file and we're going to put it in this PLTW folder. That's half the job done. Okay. XDC file went in PLTW folder. The other one's a little bit more of a trek to find, but it's in the instructions. They tell you exactly what it is, but it's under C drive. We go to program files, x86. We go to National Instruments. We go to Circuit Design Suite. And we go to PLD Config. And again, that whole path is right here in the instructions. Program files, National Instruments, Circuit Design Suite, PLD Config. And the other file then, the MSPC file, that goes in this folder. That's it. So then you would close Multisim if you have it open, and the next time you open Multisim, you should have everything in the right place.